Model year 2007 Monterey 330 Sport Yacht. She's a big girl. Nice swim platform. Aft facing seat. A little rain today, no problem. Good canvas. Nice big U-shaped seating in the cockpit. Aft facing lounger. Entertainment center here to port. Double seats for the captain and companion. Raymarine screen. Walk through windshield with steps going up. Nice fit and finish. Monterey does a wonderful job on their boat. Starboard couch in the salon. Nice island berth forward. Access from both sides. Galley to port. Nice big mid cabin. Flat panel TV. Nice head compartment, vacuum flush, incorporated shower. This one won't last.